Replacing the right side blend door control servo motor. Now I did a Google search and it said the gear breaks, but no, my gear's not broke. Just servo motor failed to move to position when it was asked to. So then the heater controls went into limp-in mode and they just do basic functions. But here's what I did. First of all, this little thing right here snaps in. That's the support for the glove box. It just snaps right in that hole right there. Just snap it out. These little prongs right here, just pull them in or inward until they clear the frame. There's one on both sides. And the glove box folds down and then it unsnaps from the bottom and it's gone. Side panel just snaps off. It's just got snaps. Bottom panel, same thing. It's just got a couple of snaps and it's retained by the seal plate. Then you get to the housing that's mounted in the dash. There's 4 number 7 screws on the bottom, and then up on top they hide these number 20 Torx in these 2 spots, and then this is out of there. Now you have access to the servo motor, which is right there, and that's the servo motor for the right side. Blend door, hot and cold, for an automatic control heat and air system.